Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Snapchat link in Instagram. You can easily add your Snapchat link in Instagram so that your Instagram followers will be able to find you on your Snapchat. For this, you need to first open your Snapchat application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. After this, you can see your profile on the top left corner. Tap on your profile. Now here you'll be able to find a small share icon near the settings icon on the top right. Tap on the share icon. Then down here you can see share your profile option. Tap on copy option. With this now you'll be able to copy your link of your Snapchat account. Now you can go to your Instagram application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are also logged into your Instagram account. Now tap on your profile that is present on down right corner. After this, on your bio you can see edit profile option. Tap on edit profile. Now here you can see add link option. Tap on add link option. Now here tap on add external link option on the first. Now tap on URL on the top and then you can paste the link that you have just copied from your Snapchat account. After you do so, you can also enter the title if you want. Now tap on tick icon on the top right corner. With this, you can go back to your Instagram profile. After this, you can reload your page once and then you'll be able to find your Snapchat URL on your bio. Here you can see my Snapchat link has been added to my bio. You can tap on the Instagram link and then here you'll be able to see your browser. And on the browser, you can see your Snapchat ID. You can either continue with your Snapchat application. This is how we can easily add a Snapchat link in Instagram. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.